Hey y'all, it's Nomadic Shaman here. Thank you so much for visiting my page. This video, I want to share with you all a dream that I had. It was weird as fuck, y'all. Basically, it took place in this dark room. And I'm walking in this dark room feeling like I'm not even supposed to be here, but I'm doing it anyways. And as I inch closer to what looks like a glass wall, the light comes on. Now, there was nobody in the room with me, it was just me. As I'm getting close, I'm looking through the glass. I don't see anything. I inch closer, and what I'm able to see is what appears to be reptilians in white lab coats. And there happens to be a row of individuals that are reclining back, and it looks similar to like one of those dentist chairs in the office, okay? And they're going from person to person to person. They're jotting something down. They're looking up. Then they're looking across the room. It appears to be like this huge screen with a whole bunch of numbers. And then this huge container. Now, I saw that there were tubes that were in the heads of a couple of individuals. And then I saw yellow stuff coming up and over into the container. Other people didn't have the big tubes in their head, but it looked like they had tubes all over their body. You know, similar to like when you're in the hospital gown, they're testing for your pulse and they put all those certain points. It was something like that, y'all. So then when I saw the two reptilians leave, I took that as an opportunity to just jump right in. So then I'm jumping in. I'm like, get up, get out, get up, get out. I'm screaming in what feels like at the top of my lungs, and no one can hear me. The first two, obviously, they were preoccupied. They had their partial of their scalp was off, and then they legit had tubes in their scalp, but they look wide awake. The other two that I saw, like their hands looked like they were wiggling. So they were acknowledging that they could hear me, but they really couldn't do much about it. And then it was like this third group that I ran and I said, get up, get out. And I'm trying to take the stuff off. And they're able to take the stuff off with my assistance. Y'all, and what this dream showed me a couple of things. What I got from the dream was there was a transference of souls by way of technology, more specifically transference of energy from humanity, okay, by a bigger power. And then it also showed me that me being able to speak, it showed me how I was silenced. But yet the people who were able to hear and receive the message were able to wake up and assist themselves. But they just needed that assistance to assist themselves to leave up out of there, okay? And out of all the people that was in there in that what looked like a lab, there were so many people up in there, y'all. But there was about only 3 or 4 that I could reach that was able to physically help me take the rest of the stuff off before we exited. And then that's when I woke up. Talk about some deep ass shit. If I wanted to get deeper and spiritual, it's confirmation of the chosen ones awakening the masses, okay? And then what that represents. That's that's on a deeper level, y'all. But on the shallow tip, it's literal tip. Our soul, our energy is being transferred to a bigger power to support a hidden agenda, because I couldn't figure out why they were doing it in my dream, but to support a bigger hidden agenda. And some was all the way asleep, some was half woke, and some was woke enough to where all they needed was assistance from me being there. Okay. And me, I represented all the people who assist in helping to awaken others. Okay. So I thought that dream was weird, but I figured I would go ahead and share it. And that's my message, y'all. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.